architectures. First of all, what is network architecture? What is the role play of network architecture in communication IoT? Okay, so here IoT device connect using different network topologies. The choice of architecture impacts performance, cost, scalability and reliability. So here in this slide, first one is 5-layer IoT architecture. So from this it consists of perception layer, then network layer, third one is middleware layer, and fourth one is application layer, fifth one is business layer. So each layer consists of each layer consists some operations. So first of all, we are going to focus on perception layer. It will use to detect the temperature because the sensors are used in this perception layer. Second one is your network layer. When you are going to transmit the data, that entire data will be how the data will be transmitted from sender to receiver or receiver to sender, how the network role plays in this network layer, how the data will be transmitted. Third one is your middleware layer, how the edge and cloud virtualization model is interconnected, how it works. So this entire connectivity will be connected through this middleware layer. Then fourth one is your application layer, whether your smartphone or laptop or iPads, the applications will be inbuilt in that communication technologies. So in this regard, the application layer plays an important role. Then last one is business layer, depends upon their device adjustment, device network alerts, then your packages, roaming packages, data packages, alerts will be encapsulated in this business layer. So according to this 5-layer architecture will be explained. So next thing is, next slide. So next one is star topology. We know connecting topologies, different topologies. So each and every topology have some special benefits. One is your star topology, another one is your mesh topology, then hybrid topology, and finally is your ring topology. So each and every topology perform one particular operation, that is easy to access your data transmission and your communication process. It is how interconnected in your networks. Okay, up to this clear. So next thing, some design principles, advantages, disadvantages, then real world examples are given here. So first of all, we want to know what is design principle. All IoT device nodes communicate directly with a central hub or gateway or access point. Hub acts as a coordinator for data aggregation and routing. Then this design principle states that node communication, okay, node to node communication. So each and every node we using some gateway, then your IP address, subnet marks will be interconnected to interface the topological performance, how the network is connected, then how the data will be communicated, how the data will be shared. So for that, each and every node or multiple number of nodes or million number of nodes will be acts as a what? Central node. That central node will be interconnected with hub. Okay. So according to this process, your routing protocol also perform a role. Okay. So this is the basic design principle. The basic design star topology schematic is given here. Some real world examples are smart home networks, Zigbee based lightning and Wi-Fi connected devices controlled via central router. Okay, these are all the real world examples. Then advantages, this one simple design and easy to manage. Fault in one node does not affect others. Low power consumption in end devices. Then disadvantages, it is a single point, so it will be a big disadvantages in hub connectivity. Then limited scalability. Then last one is short, overall range will be very short. Okay, so it's a shorter communication. So these are the few disadvantages. So next time call up Vinoda to explain about star topology.
Good afternoon everybody. Myself Vinoda, I study from third year IoT department. So here I am going to talk about the star topology. Star topology means that all devices are connected to the central devices. The devices like IoT devices, printer, computer, servers like that. So here the Moreover, all devices are not dependent on each other. It all dependent on the central devices which got hub. Examples are smartphone networks and it is also the Wi-Fi connected devices controlled via a central device.